Hey guys, today we gonna learn how to connect MySQL database to our server and save values in our database. So firstly, let's download and install MySQL plugin for our server. Search MySQL plugin XAMPP, and after that open the GitHub repository. Then go to the releases page and go to the version R396 and download MySQL R396 win32.zip. After it got downloaded, then open our XAMPP server main directory, then copy libmysql.dll and paste it in our main directory of the XAMPP server. And then we have to open plugins folder in zip and also in main directory, then paste the mysql dll file. If you are in Windows, if you are in Linux, then use mysql.so, and then go to the pono folder in your main directory, then go to its pono and include file and copy and paste the a_mysql file and replace it if it's asking to. Then download XAMPP from Chrome. Search XAMPP. Yes, just download it from here if you are using Windows, and here for Linux. I already have it, so I will just open it here. And you could easily find a tutorial how to download and set up it. Now our zip thing is done. MySQL plugin is loaded. Now let's go to the XAMPP. As you can see, our XAMPP is open. Now start Apache service, then MySQL service. As you can see, both of them are running now. Now let's see does my SQL is working or not. Tap on the admin section of the MySQL, then it will automatically open localhost phpMyAdmin on your Chrome. As you can see, my localhost is working fine. And let's create a new database here. We could call it spawn, and we got our database here. Now let's go to our script. MySQL is working fine. Then let's open our game mode. Now let's get to the here. Firstly, let's go to on game mode in it. Then here write MySQL connect. It will find host, username, password and database name, and extra parameters are not necessary. That's it. Now firstly we're gonna create a define preprocessor type thing, like we created SCM to send client message or color dispatch as this code. Then we have to create something like this. Now as you can see, our local host is our local host, our MySQL host name is our local host. As I said, XMPP uses our local host, which is our IP, and MySQL database name, we created just a new MySQL database name, which is pawn. And now our user, if you are using XMPP, then use root and don't add any password here. That's it. If you are using any custom, then you could use it as per the details of it. So we gonna use host name here, then MySQL username here, then our password, which is nothing, password, and our database, MySQL database, and that's it. Now let's add a messages if MySQL connect not works, like it not connected to our. Let's create a function where if the connection not works, then show us a error, and if it works, then show us a message that MySQL DB is connected. If MySQL or no ID, as you can see, we are using connection ID as our handle. Don't forget to add it. And also new, define it here somewhere, new connection ID like this, and that's it. Or we could copy it at the here. Yes, here. Let's see. Yeah, on given should return a value. So after MySQL no, then else, if it not gives any error, then send message return printf MySQL connected or server connected to the database. That's it, and our thing is working. Now let's test it in game. Unreachable code. Oh yes. No, then this and this, like this, without the return. I give an extra return both of them. Now let's test it. Is it working or it is not? As you can see, MySQL got failed to connect your database. Let's check what is the reason. MySQL connect hostname, username. Let's change to something else. I have another database. Let's check on that one. If it's working, then nope. Nah, that means something is fishy here. Now let's see what is the error here. Connection ID. Yeah, so guys, we found the error. So we have to add here database instead of password, and password here instead of database, and that's it. Our thing is working now. Now let's check. As you can see, server connected to the database. Now we forgot one thing, which is changing this into this. Yeah, and now I am pasting this thing. These are custom, these are already I have, that's why you could use it too. Easy, I already gave source code. Now let's search MySQL format, then query buffer, then size of query buffer, and now we have to select all from users if the users where username is equal to binary $p. Okay guys, like this. Now we have to wait, we have to do one thing. I'll tell you one more thing, which is firstly we're gonna get player name ex. No, not like that. We're gonna copy one function. We're gonna get a function. Wait. Yeah, so we have a function now. Now let's show it. Paste it somewhere here, maybe up here, and paste it. It's easy. Get player name ex, then create a new name. It's a variable which will, its size will be max player name, which is 24, and get player name, it will find, it's an inbuilt function, get player name, player ID in the name variable and the size of name, and then it will return the name on the function. As you can see, we will use it like this, player ID, and we'll got our name here, and that's it. Let's see, we don't have any users in and username, so we're gonna check here and create a number of columns, maybe 4. Yeah, 4 is enough. Let's check now. We are using firstly, which is our UID, it will be integer. Length will be maybe 10, 100, whatever. Default will be none. Collision will be none. It will be none. And go to here and add it auto increment here, and that's it. One more thing we have to do is, but not here. Now username, which will be our bar chart, and 24, and as defined will be none. It will be none too. The collision is latent once it is CI. I don't know why this is, but every username type things uses this, like any character things. Now we have password is watcher2, which will be 128. तो हम लोग को पासवर्ड में भी गाइस यहाँ पे लगाना पड़ेगा कलीजन, क्योंकि ये भी एक वार चार्ट है एंड इसमें भी कैरेक्टर्स यूज होंगे. तो लेटिन वन इट इज CI वापस, एंड देन लास्ट थिंग विच इज IP, and it's also watcher guys. So we have to use 16 is enough, and now it will be null to both of them. Now it will be also latent one, so it is CI, and that's it. And yeah, don't forget to use primary key. And now we're gonna save this. Now let's see, is it working or it is not. Yeah, don't forget, if it's not here, then you could easily do it by more and then primary it, because it will be primary, so we can edit and do things in here. As you can see, everything is working. Now guys, we are not doing a very big video. We are ending this here. MySQL query, and then query buffer, size of query buffer. So guys, we have to put connection ID here, then query buffer, and then a function where we will check like account player, or maybe account check. We could use this player account check, yeah, like this player account check, and then put this here and put player ID. That's it. Why the heck it is not working right now? I don't know how to fix it. So you could add this in your game mode to fix the warning easily. Now everything is fine. Now I don't know what is the error, but I'll tell it in the later. And now let's make a player account check function. Then forward player account check, player account check, player ID, public, set the, now we have to new rows and fields. We have to add these things guys, fields, and that's it. Now sachet get data. Now so guys, add here like this, then rows and fields, and now connection ID, our connection ID, and that's it. And now add it like this. If rows, then send CM player ID color green, please log in, please log in the server, and like this. So we have to put else, and then SCM player ID color red, pale red, whatever, and now register in the server. Now let's check guys. If we didn't logged in, then we'll get a error, and if we forgot semicolon. Now everything is working. Now if we didn't logged in, then we'll get an this message, what is called, it is registered in the server. If we are in the database, then we'll get message in green, please log in the server. So let's test. As you can see guys, we are connecting. We didn't get any messages. Let's fix the error. We got a MySQL log. Let's check what happens. Empty connection. Table pond.users doesn't exist. Select all where binary fall worker. Let's test what happened. It is working. Oh shit guys, we accidentally added users here instead of there. So we gonna, and let's load it instead, and now add users easily ASAP. Let me. So guys, the error was we accidentally created users table in another database. Now it's fixed. As you can see guys, we are not registered in the server, so it's asking register in the server. That's it for this video, and in the next video I will tell how to create a login system and a register system both from here now on. If you think this is a fast pace, then tell me in the comments. I'll try to slow it down. Bye bye.